From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And happy Tuesday afternoon, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Kevin Appleby with a check of that afternoon forecast. As we take a look outside here at Beaver Stadium right now, we've got a temperature of 68 degrees under a mainly sunny sky. It's just gorgeous out there, as well as a dew point currently at 65. So it's giving off some autumn vibes as we head towards, we're still about 2 weeks away from the official start of autumn, but it certainly feels like it today, not just in State College, but across the entire Commonwealth as well. You see mainly sunny skies across much of the state under very similar conditions. A few clouds trying to sneak into this Pittsburgh frame, but generally speaking, it's a sunny day. Nice follow-up to the holiday from yesterday. Temperatures across the state, central Pennsylvania, we've got some low 70s towards Altoona and Indiana. 74 right now here in the capital and 65 in Williamsport, so a little chillier off to the northeast. And as we expand things out even more, we've got 75 right now in Erie, some low 70s towards Pittsburgh, and of course a little bit toasty towards the southeast in Philadelphia. And dew points, very similar here. It's a very refreshing feel. Maybe not quite as dry as we had over the previous few days, but otherwise, this is certainly acceptable for most people, at least. Generally mid to upper 50s, so it's a very refreshing feel, far enough away from the tropical, conditions we were dealing with towards the end of August. Current look at satellite and radar, we've got nothing to speak of right now. A few clouds trying to, come up through southwestern Pennsylvania. You saw a few in that Pittsburgh frame. However, it's a generally sunny sky across the state. However, that will change as we head into tomorrow. We've got this potent low pressure up in Canada right now, and it is giving a cold front. There's a cold front expanding southward from it, and that cold front is going to impact us in Pennsylvania for the day tomorrow. So we'll time it out for you. You saw this line of storms by 3:30 in the afternoon expanding from the southwestern part of the state towards Johnstown, expanding northeastward towards State College and Williamsport. You'll notice behind it some clear air, some colder air, some clearer conditions, excuse me. And then ahead of it, we also have some clear skies as well, down towards Harrisburg and Allentown area. So if we see like a prolonged period of sunshine tomorrow in these areas, it's going to provide the fuel for this line of storms to intensify as it heads east. So as we put things into motion, you can see it looks like this northeastern part of the state is a pretty good bet for some severe storms tomorrow night. And as we put things into motion even further, as we're getting up for Thursday, we've got a few showers coming off of Erie. Otherwise, it's going to be a much better day than Wednesday by all means. Here's the rain amounts. You can see in western areas, we've got amounts generally under ½ an inch. However, as you push east, you see these blue and even some purple colors. This is upwards of an inch in some spots. And most of these areas are the same spots that just saw some heavy rains from Ida and some of the tropical remnants from before Ida even, so from Henri and Fred. These areas don't need the rain, so flash flooding is a concern across eastern portions of Pennsylvania, along to Delaware, and then expanding into the New York City metro as well. But for today in State College, we have another perfect one on tap, a temperature of 77 degrees. We've got some light southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. It's just get outside weather. That's what it is. For tonight, we'll keep it clear, but it's not going to get quite as chilly as it was the past few nights. We've got a temperature of 62 degrees with light winds, so certainly another open window night, but not one where it's almost like too cold. Almost thinking, wow, we shouldn't be getting this yet. Here's a look at the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. So here in western Pennsylvania, we have this general thunderstorm outlook. However, as you get towards State College and points eastward, we do have that marginal risk for severe weather. Generally, the threat in this darker green area is for damaging winds. Not widespread, but a few spots we'll see some damaging winds. However, again, the Storm Prediction Center did highlight this northeastern part of the state here. Could see an isolated tornado as well. For tomorrow, we'll see those storms arrive in the afternoon, early afternoon hours. Otherwise, we'll be variably cloudy. The high temperature will reach about 79 degrees. However, it will fall after that cold front moves through the area. We have some south winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. However, within these storms, you could see some gusts upwards of 20 miles an hour. And as we take a look at that 7-day forecast, we'll expand things towards the weekend. You can see behind this cold front, we have improving conditions. For Thursday and Friday, we have temperatures actually below average for this time of year. Definitely a welcoming sight for sure. As we take a look at Saturday, football fever, it's going to be a picture-perfect day as we get back inside Beaver Stadium, back towards those tailgates as well. So you couldn't write a better script for how, although Penn State needs to win for it to be perfect, right? However, after the football game, we'll have a few more clouds enter the picture. Next chance of rain after tomorrow really returns for Monday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Kevin Appleby. Have a great day.